How to find Gmail security settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Gmail security settings on Android phone. First then open Gmail and now just click here on your profile in the top corner and then click Google account, and now just scroll here until you find security. And as you see here, you can manage security settings on your Gmail account. It's easy. You can manage here anything you want. You can even change your password if you want. And that's how to find the security settings on your Gmail account on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.